Hello everyone, in this video we will present to you our digital book review on entitled To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Before we start, let me introduce my group members. First of all, the leader of this group is me, Badrul, and I am from FSSA. And the rest, Nur Sanisa, Sharima, Nurin, and Pasila from FPP. To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel by the American author Harper Lee, although it was written in 1690. It is set in the mid-1930s in the small town of Macomb, Alabama. Many residents of Macomb are racist, and during the novel, Atticus is asked to defend Tom Robinson, a black man wrongly accused of raping a white woman. The main character on novel To Kill a Mockingbird is Atticus. Atticus is the father with two young children, which is Scout and Jem. Atticus is a lawyer and resident of the fictional Macomb County, Alabama, and the father of Jeremy, Jem Finch, and Jean Lois, Scout Finch. He represents the African American man, Tom Robinson, in his trial, where he is charged with rape of Mayala Ewell. The story begins when an African-American man named Tom Robinson is accused of raping a white woman. Atticus is asked to represent Tom Robinson. In this era, it is almost impossible that Atticus won't get backlash from the people around him, especially in Macomb, Alabama. Throughout the walk, Scout and Jem become the center of attention. They discover that there is a dark side to Macomb. They acquire valuable lesson about justice, devotion, and right from wrong in a setting that is founded in Jim Crow bigotry. Tom Robinson is found guilty of the crime he did not commit. The children are surprised how they could send an innocent man to the death penalty. Unfortunately, Atticus knows that in the town they live in, the odds were really against him. Bob Ewell made his hate for Tom Robinson very clear during the trials. He made threats toward Atticus and Tom's wife, Helen. While the children were very worried for Atticus' safety, Atticus is not worried and rushed Bob Ewell straight off. In the end, Bob Ewell goes after Scout and Jem instead of Atticus. In the process, their neighbor that usually stay inside come out to help them, Bob greatly. But when he come to save the kids, he grab the knife and kill Bob Ewell. Finally, Scout is familiar with and understand. She believes in the value instilled in her by her father, cultivate sympathy and understanding, and no amount of hatred or prejudice can sabotage trust in human decency. Time to review. From this book, we can learn that we must keep fighting. Tom is a black man who has been arrested and charged with raping a white woman named Mayala Ewell. Atticus Finch has been appointed as his defense attorney, and he is determined to do a good job. At it, even though he knows he is going to lose because of racism. Everybody in the town is racist to one degree or another. Scout and Jem wind up getting teased and talked about because their father is defending a black man for a crime like that. Atticus doesn't want them to fight the other's kid, but try to keep calm and keep their heads up in the face of adversity. He wants to teach them the lesson that true bravery is when you keep fighting and persevering, even you know you can win. We also learn that actions speak louder than words, which is beneficial. There is no shying away from the fact that religion has been used throughout history to defend awful act. And so Miss Maudie teach Scout a vital lesson here. We are defined by the way we treat others, and belief, religious or otherwise, can never justify cruel behavior. Through this novel, I recommend for teenagers 17 years and above as well as adults to read, because this book tells a lot about human life. Teenagers who read this novel will take some lessons about life and apply them in their life to come. After the age of 17, the teenagers will enter the true meaning of life.